Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Gonna go ahead and start sharing my screen just so you guys can see exactly what it is that I have going on here. Today is July 23rd. It is 10:09 a.m. Market opened here in Arizona, Pacific Standard Time as of right now at 6:30 a.m. I did a majority of my trading during pre-market hours. This is both UGAS and DGAS. Closed out all my trades and made a little bit over $2,500 profit. I was up almost $3,000 profit on the day. Then I began to see that DGAS began to change its overall direction. I'm going to go ahead and just do a trading recap. Yesterday, if you guys did not watch yesterday's video, I did a full screen recording. I kind of want to go back and forth. This was a full screen recording in real time of seeing me trade. I was explaining my thought process. A lot of people like that. I got a lot of feedback yesterday that people also like when I do the live trading recap, and I thought that it would be a good mix, right? So I'm going to go ahead and let me go ahead and just share this real quick. So I made a little bit over $1,300 on ticker symbol DGAS, and on UGAS, I made a little bit over $1,200. Can you guys turn off that Bluetooth? Okay. But yeah, made a little bit over $1,200 on ticker symbol UGAS. Let's go ahead. It looks like someone turned on, or yeah, there we go. Thank you. I want to do a quick little breakdown. I made, they weren't the most effective trades, and as you guys can see, I made a majority of the trades during pre-market hours. And one of my biggest focuses was averaging up, right? The trade that I made a majority of my money was on this trade alone, and that's when I bought at 1561 and then bought at 1561, 1562, 1553, and then ended up selling at 1566. So I had a lot of fun with, during pre-market hours. The same thing kind of happened with DGAS itself. On this one, I just made a very poor trade, and I wanted to show you exactly what I mean by that. So under the trade ideas for the Learn Plan Profit group, I had a little bit of updates, right? So we finished the live stream right around 7 o'clock, 7:10. So again, I trade live with the Learn Plan Profit group every single morning. I actually wanted to invite you guys for the past like 2 or 3 hours. I'm not too sure why. But I've been getting a lot of messages of people wanting to see like what it's like to watch me trade live. I'm not too sure if it's because of yesterday's video and being able to see it in real time, but I actually put that first link in the description. It's for our free Discord chat. So it's free. You can click the link. If you want to tune in, I'm always open to doing it. Again, it's always exclusively offered only for the Learn Plan Profit group. But tomorrow is one of my favorite days to day trade. It's the crude oil report. Again, I have a huge focus on trading like ETFs and ETNs. This does not mean that you should trade them at all. But if you've ever wanted to see what it's like to watch a profitable day trader trade and watch him trade live, not just show my profits, but watch me like share my thought process in real time, I'm going to ask you to wake up a little bit early. It's at market open, but all you have to do is click that first link in the description, send me a direct message, be like, can I get the link for tomorrow's live trading? And right after this video, I'll go ahead and start sending them out. But just kept the group overall up to date on what I was watching. I have a huge focus today because I traded UGAS and DGAS. So one of my huge focuses was looking and watching for the overall direction of natural gas. Right before the market began to open, so right around that like 6:30 area, natural gas was showing signs of an uptrend. You can see because this thing begins to trade in between the middle and top VWAP. And then what ended up happening was, this is what we see very often. And if you've ever traded these ETFs and ETNs, from pre-market to open market, you sometimes see them change directions. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, you would have seen that I've talked about this multiple times. And it ended up breaking below the middle VWAP. It ended up aggressively selling off. I saw that to be a dip buy opportunity on UGAS, and then that's why I decided to buy UGAS for the push up, became overextended, locked in profits on UGAS, waited for indications of a downtrend, took a position on DGAS, it pulled back, locked in profits on DGAS, and then kind of went like that. And then the overall market really began to slow down. Posted a couple updates on that there's a lot of consolidation going on, and unfortunately, this was all during the live trading session. So you could see from 6:30 to about 7 o'clock, 7:10, there wasn't much movement. There wasn't a clear direction. It was building a very solid support at a very solid resistance as well. And there wasn't a clear direction of if this thing was going to continue to sell off or if it was going to push up. And then it began to push up, became overextended, pulled back a little bit, and then ultimately changed its overall direction. So we still have about like 2 to almost 3 hours left for the market. I'm absolutely done trading for the day. I want to make sure that you guys know that the 2.5%, that's what it correlates on over to. I trade with $100,000. 2.5% is not something that I hit every single day. My daily goal, and you guys can see this based off of yesterday's video, my daily goal is anywhere from 1.5 to 2% a day. And that's what I aim for. I feel very comfortable with that, with the $100,000. Obviously, that correlates to about 1.5K to 2K a day. But this just, emphasizes the importance of scaling, to not focus so much about what everyone else is doing. Again, I have a very core focus on trading ETFs and ETNs. That's my niche. We have amazing people that trade, trade aggressive momentum stocks, and that's great for them. We have people that trade OTC stocks. That's great for them. We have people that trade pump and dumps. That's just not my style. At the end of the day, like we've said multiple times before, we're all wired in different ways. And with that being said, again, if you just want to check out what it's like to watch me trade live, click that first link down below. I'd love to send you the link for the video that we're going to host tomorrow for our live trading session, just so you can get a taste. If you like it, great. If you don't, then I hope that at least you learned something new and you can kind of go from that. We have over 1,700 free videos on YouTube. We're the largest YouTube channel for those who trade in the stock market. We run the largest Facebook group for those who trade in the stock market. We almost have 220,000 members all over the world. And one of the last things that I want to leave you guys with is the team and I are actually going to check out another headquarters today for TechBuds HQ. So for all those that are part of Learn Plan Profit that have ever wanted to meet up or visit me here in Arizona, I'm going to have a physical location where you'll be able to come and visit for free, be able to dock up your computer, and it's all about networking. We're going to have it near an ASU campus, so that's Arizona State University, and it's going to be that simple. It's, we're going to have our dealership there, and I just wanted to have a physical location that can kind of take TechBuds to the next level, and I really think that can do it. So really quickly, just wanted to do a recap on my overall day trading and provide you guys with a quick little update on that HQ. If you guys have any questions about the natural gas, the crude oil report tomorrow, feel free to comment down below and throw a sick party. No. The HQ is definitely not going to be for that. So it's just going to be a nice little, kind of like a library or a lounge where like-minded individuals, kind of like TechBuds. TechBuds is like an online platform, but I wanted a physical location. No one else has that. I wanted to provide it for free for all of our members. And it's always something that I wanted, and that's why I wanted to make it out there and put it out there for you guys. So hopefully we can have more than one location. This facility that we're looking at is about 12,000 square feet. It's a little big. It's a little expensive, but I definitely think the Learn Plan Profit and the TechBuds Solutions group is worth it. So I hope that you guys are excited for that. I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. The last thing that I want to leave you guys with today is today one of the biggest focuses that I had today was just walking away. I already went to the gym. We finished trading, traded a little bit during pre-market hours, and just being efficient with my trades. Once I started to see that the market began to slow down, I decided to step away and again just realize that 2.5%, that makes up more than my daily goal. And I just need to understand when to walk away and to not overtrade and to allow the opportunity to present itself. So I had a lot of fun trading today. I'm really excited for the crude oil report tomorrow. Let's be selective. Let's be consistent. Let's lock in those profits. And I'm really looking forward to being able to work with you guys on a closer basis. So again, the second link in the description is for our free Facebook group. I think that we can hit 200,000 or 220,000 members within probably 2 days. So yeah, like Danson is saying, profit for the boys. So again, quick little recap, just so you guys could see a little bit over 2.5%, which correlates on over to a little bit over $2,500. So yesterday I made a little bit over $1,300, which is about 1.3%, and today a little bit over 2.5%. So let's keep it consistent. Let's continue to lock in those profits. And like always, let's have fun with it, and let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Appreciate you guys' time, and like always, I guess I already said it. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care.